We're gonna make kind of new thing. They call it taco rice. And first we have to need some ground beef. We need about I use a pound and a half for pound beef. So this we make it's a pound and a half here. Okay. Okay, then you kind of cook through these. Okay, I think that's about done. So just 1 minute, let me drain the oil. So we separate the fat. Okay. Okay. Okay, the fat is gone, so we're gonna put the taco seasoning on it. See, that's it's 1.5 pounds, so I put 1.5 package in it. Okay. Then we put one teaspoon of spice powder. Two teaspoon of sugar. Okay, then one and three four cup of water. Okay, that is cook it for about 5 minutes. I think it's about 5 minutes right now, so it's ready. So we shut it off. Then we scoop it up. Okay, that's should be ready. We're gonna start making the taco rice. And okay, then first we have to we're gonna use a bowl. So we get some rice here. All right. Okay, then now we're gonna line up all the stuff. We're gonna put like some lettuce, something like that, and tomato. Then we put the meat. And after that, we put the corn. Okay. And the cheese. And we're gonna use shredded cheese, you know. Then one side here. So put the sour cream on one thing. Then we put the sauce. Okay. Then we put the little green onion. And some parsley. Something like that. Okay, that's taco rice